Michael G here with MadWrexx. I want to talk today about new black steel that I made for MadWrexx. As you can see, I cut steel and screwed it to the side skirts and made my own body kit, and I did the same in the rear. Made my own rear kind of body kit, and I just cut this one out today, the middle piece, because it's in 3 pieces because of the way the body rolls and it's hard to bend steel by hand. So I cut these and just bolted them to the back and put a piece of steel up underneath the plastic for backing to hold the screws, to hold the piece of steel to the body. So you can see the side skirts, very sharp edges. That's pretty sharp. You don't want to get sliced with that. And then I also created one for the front bumper for a front lip. Very sharp. Like, as well as the front hood, all cut out of steel, all bent by hand. Everything's cut with a grinder, and I design everything myself. You can see the teeth in there, and then that piece of steel, MW for MadWrexx. So there it is. More black steel, more heavy duty, more MadWrexx. Thanks for watching.